Did you know that a simple, crunchy green pod could boost your heart, bones, digestion, and even your mood? Snow peas are more than just a stir-fry ingredient. They're a secret superfood hiding in plain sight. Snow peas, those crisp, flat green pods often seen in stir-fries and salads, are more than just a crunchy addition to meals. They're a powerhouse of nutrition and an ally to health. These tender legumes are harvested early, before the peas inside fully develop, making them unique compared to garden peas or snap peas. Rich in fiber and low in calories, snow peas are an excellent choice for those seeking to maintain or lose weight. They offer a satisfying bite without the heaviness, and their fiber content supports healthy digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and contributes to a feeling of fullness that can prevent overeating. Beyond weight management, snow peas provide important vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and several B vitamins, each playing a crucial role in maintaining energy levels and immune function. Their high water content also helps keep the body hydrated while supporting skin health and cellular function. One of the most remarkable attributes of snow peas is their role in supporting cardiovascular health. They are rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids and carotenoids, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is a known contributor to heart disease and many chronic illnesses, and the antioxidants found in snow peas neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. In addition, their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium, while the fiber aids in lowering cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of snow peas as part of a balanced diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. Furthermore, their magnesium and folate levels support healthy blood vessels and overall cardiovascular function. By including snow peas in meals, individuals can take a delicious and proactive step toward protecting their heart. Snow peas also contribute significantly to bone health, an area of concern for many as they age. Thanks to their vitamin K content, snow peas help regulate calcium in the bones and bloodstream, which is essential for maintaining bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Vitamin K works synergistically with calcium to strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women who face a higher risk of bone-related disorders. Alongside vitamin K, snow peas provide modest amounts of manganese and phosphorus, both critical minerals for bone formation and maintenance. Eating snow peas regularly, especially in combination with other calcium-rich foods, can help ensure that bones remain strong and resilient. Moreover, because they are plant-based, snow peas are ideal for people seeking non-dairy sources of bone-supporting nutrients, making them particularly valuable for those following vegan or lactose-free diets. For individuals concerned about their blood sugar levels or managing diabetes, snow peas present a friendly option. With a low glycemic index and high fiber content, they help moderate the release of glucose into the bloodstream, avoiding sharp spikes in blood sugar. This makes them an excellent choice for diabetics or anyone seeking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Additionally, snow peas contain protein, which further slows digestion and contributes to longer-lasting satiety. The combination of fiber and protein in snow peas not only helps control appetite but also supports muscle maintenance, making them a smart addition to meals aimed at managing both energy and metabolic health. Their subtle sweetness and satisfying crunch mean they can be used in a variety of dishes without compromising flavor or nutritional integrity. Whether eaten raw, steamed, or sautéed, snow peas retain much of their beneficial properties, adding both taste and texture to meals while contributing to healthy blood sugar management. In addition to all their physical health benefits, snow peas can also support mental well-being. The B vitamins found in snow peas, such as folate, B6, and thiamine, play a vital role in brain function, mood regulation, and the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These chemical messengers affect everything from sleep and memory to stress response and overall emotional health. A deficiency in these vitamins can lead to mood disturbances, fatigue, and cognitive issues, and snow peas provide a convenient and tasty way to boost intake. Their magnesium content also contributes to nervous system health, promoting relaxation and reducing symptoms of anxiety. Because snow peas are so versatile, they can easily be included in everyday meals, helping individuals support their brain and emotional balance without drastic dietary changes. In today's fast-paced, high-stress world, the quiet power of snow peas should not be overlooked. They nourish the body and mind, offering a natural, wholesome way to enhance overall quality of life. From your plate to your well-being, snow peas offer a powerful punch of nutrients and health benefits. Add them to your diet and let nature do the rest, because sometimes, the simplest foods make the biggest difference.